Zeno Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hi friends, myself Sanket Joshi from Electrical Department. I am second year student from Zil Engineering of Pune. This project guide by Mr. Redge sir. We have done this project, the subject electrical motor and transformer. So let's be a start. These are my micro project group details. First one Bharat Kamble, second one Aditya Bosle, third one Ranjit Dadve, fourth one Sanket Joshi. Now we are discuss about these points. First one introduction, second one construction, third one specification, fourth one working, fifth one application, sixth one advantage and disadvantages. Introduction. Isolation transformer is a transfer used to transfer electrical power, a source of alternating current power to some of equipment or devices from source of usually for safety reasons. Isolation transformer providing isolation no continuity path is a present between source and loads. Construction. Isolation transformer is often built with special isolation between primary and secondary and is specified withstand high voltage between windings. Isolation transformer signals from one circuit to other but allow AC components is the signals to pass. Specification. The isolation transformer maintain efficient power to operate even with the worst of power problems, providing commercial industrial environments in a small footprints. Working of isolation transformer. Isolation transformer are designed with attention to the capacitive coupling between two windings. The capacitance between primary and secondary windings will also couple AC current from a primary to secondary. Differential noise in magnetically coupled from the primary to the secondary. Isolation transformer are must filtered out if a problem occurs. Application of isolation transformer. The isolation transformer are available in varieties from primary and secondary voltage combination, industrial control equipment, automation industry, machine tooling instruments, motor controls, computer, medical equipments, office buildings, industrial plants, etc. Advantage and disadvantages. Advantage. Isolation transformer can operate at high frequency as a vibration and pulse transformer. Isolation transformer a very high and power voltage isolation, high performance or efficiency. Disadvantages. When isolation transformer operate at a DC pulse, sinks or signals, the saturation properties of core decreases. Isolation transformer design specially that is more expensive than conventional transformer. Thank you.
Zeno Education Society, redefining excellence.